Dear students, in past, kings used to live in big forts. You must have seen some monuments. Let's learn something more about these historical monuments. In chapter 21, Glimpses of Past. This is the picture of Kila Mubarak. It is situated in district Bathinda and it is also known as Kila Govindgarh. It is believed to have been built by Raja Dev in early centuries. In the structure of this fort, you can see raw bricks along with small and fully baked bricks, which are also called Nanak Shahi bricks or Lahori bricks. In those times, the bricks were stacked with chuna powder mixed with the fiber of flax plant for strength. This was not a residential fort but an army camp. Students, Razia Sultan was jailed in this fort. Razia was the daughter of Iltutmish, the king of Delhi. She was the first woman to rule Delhi, but during those days it was uncommon for a woman to rule, and many of her courtiers were against her. Parda Pratha was prevalent, especially among Muslim women. But Razia used to dress up like men and sit in the open court. During that period, governor of Bathinda, Malik Altunia, revolted. As a result, a battle was fought between Razia Sultan and Malik Altunia. Students, Razia Sultan was imprisoned in Kila Bathinda. It is said that Razia jumped off the fort to consolidate her forces for fighting back. During Mughal era, this was an important place en route to Lahore. In 1754, this Killa was conquered by the chief of Fulka, Ala Singh, and remained under Maharaja of Patiala until the princely states got merged in India. This fort is constructed on higher plinth and it has 32 small and 4 large burjes. Its walls are strong, having base width of 16 meter and height 30 meters. Main door is towards northeast with sharp and pointed roads on it. Next one is the picture of Aam Khas Bagh and it is in Sarhand. The construction of this bagh was started by Babur. Mughal kings like Jahangir and Shah Jahan extended it from time to time. This place was used by Mughal kings to stay while travelling from Delhi to Lahore. When these monuments were being constructed, kings added some new things of their choices. Let's learn some interesting facts about these monuments. The doors of these historical monuments are of semicircular shape from the top, and this shape is called arc or dart. There are many types of arcs. This arc is horseshoe shaped structure and the building with this such arcs were built during the reign of King Jahangir. These arcs have many small arcs in them. Building with such arcs were made during the reign of King Shah Jahan. Now this is Kos Minar. These were constructed by Mughal kings after every mile to know the distance during travelling. Delhi to Lahore route was through Punjab and was very important. So, Punjab has many such minars. This is the picture of Sarai Noor Mahal. Noor Mahal is a town near Jalandhar. It is said that it was named after Noor Jahan, the wife of Jahangir. This is a beautiful place of architecture. So, kids, that's all for today. Now it's time for homework, and your homework is to note down the information on the notice board about Kila Mubarak in Bathinda.